Today we're going to revisit solids. Remember that solids are three-dimensional figures. So let's look at the vocabulary. A solid is a 3D figure that encloses a part of space. A polyhedron is a solid that is enclosed by polygons. Remember, a circle is not a polygon, so anything that is circular base or circular side is not a polyhedron. The polygons that form a polyhedron are actually called faces. The segments where these faces meet are called edges. The point where two or more edges meet is called a vertex. The plural form of vertex is called vertices. Lateral faces are the faces that encompass the figure between the bases, or between the base and the apex. Let's look at some more vocabulary. A prism is a polyhedron with two congruent bases and rectangular lateral faces. All the sides, all the lateral faces, are rectangles. A pyramid is a polyhedron with only one base and it has triangular lateral faces. We name prisms and pyramids by the shapes of their bases. Therefore, a cylinder is a solid with two circular bases. It is not a polyhedron because it's got circular bases. A cone is a solid with one circular base. And a sphere is a solid formed by all the points that are equidistant or the same distance from a single point. We know this as the center. So let's practice naming some polyhedrons and some solids. This first one is called a cube. It's a cube because it has 6 faces that are all the same shape, a square. This is a rectangular prism. It's a rectangular prism because it has 2 rectangular bases and 4 rectangular lateral faces. This is a cylinder. It has 2 circular bases and 1 lateral face. This is a pentagonal or pentagonal prism. It has 2 congruent pentagons and 5 lateral rectangular faces. This is a pentagonal pyramid. It has 1 pentagonal base, an apex at the top, and 5 congruent triangular lateral faces. This is a triangular pyramid. It has 1 base that is a triangle. It has an apex, and it has 3 congruent lateral triangular faces. This is a sphere. Looks like a ball. This is called a cone. A cone has 1 circular base and an apex at the top. And this is the net of a triangular prism. It has 2 congruent triangular bases and 3 rectangular lateral faces.